Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is very different. It's mainly an update and to show you some of the different styles of journals, travelers, notebook covers and stuff that I'm working on to put in my Etsy store. But this morning was the morning that I received the dreaded phone call. My mother-in-law passed away this morning. So I've just been, I've been crafting, but I was not in a talking mood. Crafting is my therapy, and my mother-in-law loved for me to craft and loved to see the stuff that I created. And so I've just basically immersed myself in my craft studio today in honor of her. So let me go ahead and show you guys. So this is my standard TN cover, but when I make it to put it in the shop, it is not going to have a flap on it. I have found that is I don't like the flap on it because I always junk mine up too much. And then the other thing is I don't want a binding like this or a spine where it's just a set size. I don't like that. So I am working on the standard TN covers. And I've got a few of the different covers done, but I want to wait and put them in the shop when I have, you know, several different styles available. So, but that is one that will come out. The first one that I am going to put in there will be this style here and this size. This is the passport size traveler's notebook, and I showed this on yesterday's video. And each one will come with 3 inserts, and it will be a calendar insert or a monthly calendar insert, a weekly, and then this is like my little action type thing. This is where I plan everything out. So each one will come with one of those, or one of each of those, and then it will be pretty much the same designs as the journals that have already been in my store. So if you have already purchased one of these here, then you will be able to get one of these sizes in the same pattern, most likely. I have also been working on different inserts, and I have several different inserts that I'm trying to finish. I've got like a budget planner, I've got an accounting ledger, I've got a goal tracker, a habit tracker, I've got a bill payment. I don't know, I've got like 30 that I've been trying to work on. So in addition to having these in my store, you will also be able to purchase the inserts for all 3 sizes. So that way you can, your journal will come with 3 inserts. I think these come with 3 blank inserts. These come with the monthly, the weekly, and then my action plan. So you will get 3 inserts, but there will be more available. So there's that. Now, I showed you guys yesterday on the video my current passport traveler's notebook that I was using, which was this leather, this purple leather. But I really wanted to go with something like that. So because I have so many inserts in mine, I had to make mine a chunky monkey, kind of like me. And as you can see, it's pretty bulked up. And then I did embroider on mine. And it says Betty's Custom Designs. So I am thinking about offering, now if you are wanting one of the chunky ones like this, I can absolutely do them, but those I will probably make to order. So like I'll put the listing in there and I'll put the fabrics and that kind of stuff that I have available, and then you would order it and I would make it. And I am thinking about making embroidery available on pretty much all of them. So let me know if that's something that you guys would be interested in, having your name or something like that embroidered on it. But let me just show you this one. I use this one, the passport size is mainly for my business, so that's why I went ahead and I put Betty's Custom Designs on it. So this one here is just, like I said, it's got all sorts of different stuff in it. I've got my YouTube schedule, I've got my weekly schedule. One of these, I've rearranged everything, so I don't know where everything is right now. But this is where I keep my some of the ideas for the different videos. So there's that, and then it just closes just like that. So there's that one there. So I've showed you this one, I've showed you that one. And then this one is my personal traveler's notebook. This is the standard size. And again, you can see this is a chunky monkey. And then I did embroider Chef Wife on the front of this one, because that is mine and my husband's thing. Is we had he done the phrase, or many years ago, Chef Wife, and so I just made a play on that when we got married. So this one is my standard TN, and you can see I've got tons of stuff in here. I've got journal areas. This is my weekly with the planner. This is my this is some of my digital ideas, or this is like my little brain dump type thing. And then I have my daily plan. Sorry about that, guys. My mother called. So anyway, this one has like my weekly plans, and then this is some more of my YouTube type stuff in here. And then this one is just, it's kind of like an action plan type thing. But this one is my standard TN size. And then I just have the closure going to the side there. And then this one is the one that the style has been in the shop for a little bit now. But this one is my personal one, and you can see it is very well used. I have a calendar in here that I picked up from Dollar Tree. This is one of the file folders, digital file folders that are in my Etsy, and I just closed it and glued it onto an elastic. This is my notes. This is mainly church notes in here. And you can see I've done some watercolor on the front cover. I've done some watercolor throughout it. So there's that. And this is some more of the YouTube type stuff. My little prototypes. And then another one of the little folders, my journal, and again, some more watercolor. And just some of the journaling areas, some more watercolors. So there's that. And then this is my daily, like my bullet journal tracking thing. So this is kind of what keeps me on track. But yes, I do use all of them, and my junk journals. So let me tell you, I use my junk journals, especially the one my buddy Chelle gave me. I had said I wasn't going to use it because it is so beautiful. But then I got to thinking about it, and it's like, you know, really, what's the purpose of it if I'm not going to use it? So I do use it. I journal in it, and I love it, and I enjoy it. And so but even at that, I still go through, I use all of these. So let me know what you guys, your thoughts are on offering embroidery. And I would love to know, for curiosity's sake, I would love to know how many of you would be interested in a chunkier one versus the regular one. I would love to know that. So just let me know. And again, all of this, it's not in my Etsy yet. It's just been one of those days, processing everything. But I hope to have everything in my Etsy by the end of the week. I'm just spending today kind of just in solitude, doing some reflection, and I'll probably journal about that, some of it in here. And then I've spent a lot of time working on the digitals that will be printed for the inserts that will go into the different sizes. And if there's something in particular that you would want to see as far as an insert goes, let me know, because I can probably design it. But I, just give me a heads up and say, hey, I want this. Is this something you can do? And I'll work on it and see if I can do it. I have looked. I'm thinking these are $35 a piece in my shop with the 3 blank inserts. I'm thinking these I'll probably do for $25. I think I can get by with that. Now, obviously, the chunkier ones may be a little bit more. And then if you add embroidery, that'll definitely be more as well. But, just trying to cover the cost of the expense of the machine, the, threads, that kind of stuff. But anyway, guys, I'm sorry that today's video was very scattered out there. It's not a tutorial. Just know that I do have several things in the works for videos. I've got several in here. I can't do it today. I really can't. Even just talking for this, 10 minutes, it's just about more than I can do right now. So, but things will be getting back to normal now, or my new normal, I should say. But thank you all so much for watching and supporting me and all the kind comments. I appreciate it very much, and I will definitely let you all know when all of the new journals are posted in my Etsy, so that you can jump over and grab yours. But yeah, aren't these beautiful? Look at that. I love to just look at them. I mean, I am good just setting these on a shelf and looking at them, except for the fact that I actually use them. Anyway, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I will try to see you all tomorrow. But if not, just understand the circumstances that this week, I don't know what the video process will be this week. I don't know if I'll be able to do videos this week. I don't know. But either way, we will get back on track starting next Tuesday, worst case scenario. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.